York is one of the most charming cities in the north of England, and it's also one of the most expensive. But fear not, some of the best things in York can be experienced for free. I'm James, a walking tour guide here in the city, and in this video we're going to take a look at 7 of the best things you can do in York for free. Britain is the home of the railway, and our National Railway Museum is located here in York. This is one of the best museums in the entire city and is completely free. It features some of the country's finest and most important locomotives, including the Mallard, which still holds the record for the fastest steam train of all time. There are also other locomotives from countries across the world and a model railway. York's winding streets are world famous, and none more so than the Shambles. So why not take a stroll down this charming medieval road? While free to walk down, you'll struggle to resist the wonderful collection of shops that make this street feel like a real-life Diagon Alley. Next on our free York adventure, we're heading to one of the city's most beautiful parks. The Yorkshire Museum Gardens are right in the heart of the city and boast over 4,500 species of plants, along with some of the city's most historic buildings. While you're there, make sure that you head to the ruins of St Mary's Abbey that was closed by Henry VIII in 1539. York is a city that is made to be explored by foot. So, what better way to see the city for free than to join me on a free walking tour around York? We'll visit all of the main landmarks and uncover almost 2,000 years of history. Places are limited though, so make sure you book now at the link in the description below. One of my favourite free things to do in the city is to walk around its medieval walls. At around 2 miles long, they have a history that extends all the way back to the Romans. Be sure to walk the section between Monk Bar and Bootham Bar, as this has some of the best views of York Minster. Taking a walk along the River Ouse is one of the best things you can do in York. Allow yourself to unwind beneath the branches of the many trees that line its banks. I would suggest walking down towards Rowntree Park, which was opened by Joseph Rowntree as a memorial to those who died in the First World War. One of the best free things I've ever done in York was to attend a service at York Minster. Being in the church for a service allows you to connect really deeply with this truly beautiful building. If you want to see more of the Minster, including the Undercroft and the roof, then you can pay for a ticket at the door. So, that wraps it up for the 7 best free things to do in York. If you've enjoyed this video, then come and join me on a free walking tour around the city. There's a link in the description below.